Drone Geospatial Mapping Simulation Training System. Complete training solution for mapping professionals. Part 1 Geospatial Mapping. The system supports orthophoto and oblique mapping workflows. It realistically simulates site survey, equipment setup, and GCP placement. Users can practice RTK operation, flight path planning, and data export. Both field work and office tasks are fully simulated. This helps professionals master core mapping skills in one platform. Part 2 Site Survey. In the Site Survey module, you can set up and adjust the survey area, selecting or clearing zones as needed. You can also view the minimum, maximum, and real-time elevation on a 2D map, providing accurate terrain data for the next steps. Part 3 ICP Placement Measurement. In this module, you can set or remove ground control points on a 2D map. The system allows you to operate the base station, control power, and use the RTK handheld. GCP positions are transmitted in real time, from the 2D map to the 3D scene. The interface and workflow of the RTK handheld are fully replicated. Multiple functions are simulated, giving you an immersive field operation experience. Part 4 Flight Path Planning. The Flight Planning module fully replicates the DJI Drone Controller interface. It provides 2 planning modes, mapping and oblique photography, and displays past flight paths. The system can generate a default flight path with one click, allowing you to adjust or add waypoints and create intelligent flight routes. You can set various parameters, including camera selection, flight altitude, and speed. Flight progress and live video feed are shown in real time, making operations more efficient and precise. ART5 Toolbox. The toolbox provides convenient device management. It supports locating and retrieving survey equipment such as GCP targets, mobile stations, cameras, drones, and drone controllers. This makes managing your equipment easier and more efficient. Part 6 Weather Settings. The system supports regional weather settings with various wind directions. Wind speed can be set from level 1 to 9. It also allows you to simulate rain, snow, fog, dust, and lighting conditions. Part 7 Simulation Data Export. After completing mapping tasks, the system allows you to export GIS images or other file formats with geospatial data. The exported data is compatible with third-party software like DJI Terra. For modeling. This further expands the possible applications of your data. Part 8 Use Cases. The system has been implemented in multiple universities and surveying companies. The Geospatial Mapping Simulation Training System provides a complete solution for training and practical exercises. It overcomes limitations of training sites and strengthens aerial surveying skills through simulation.